Random physics fact. Picture an ambulance racing past you. Notice how the siren's pitch drops as it whizzes by? That's the Doppler effect. When a sound source moves toward you, the sound waves bunch up, making the frequency higher and the pitch seem higher. As it moves away, the waves spread out, dropping the frequency and pitch. The key equation is F equals Fv plus Vo, V plus versus, showing how motion changes what you hear. This effect isn't just for sound. Astronomers use it to study stars. That's why moving objects can change the way we hear or see waves.